Tim Walz has appointed 2 women to the Minnesota Supreme Court.
Yeah, Theodora Teddy Gaiadis and Sarah Hennessy have been selected to replace retiring justices Margaret Tudich and G. Barry Anderson. And as Chief Political Reporter Tom Hauser explains, this means all 7 justices have been appointed by DFL governors, and women will now hold the majority.
Minnesota Supreme Court Justice designee Sarah Hennessy will be elevated from Chief Judge of the 7th Judicial District. And Theodora Teddy Gaiadis comes from the Minnesota Court of Appeals. Together, they'll be part of a female majority for the first time since the 1990s, something both say they're proud to be a part of, but
it's not changing the way that I make the decisions. The way that I make the decisions will be the same that I have done for the last 12 years, but it is an honor to be part of a majority on the Supreme Court.
Every individual member of the court brings a really unique perspective.
Should we do it?
Perhaps more noteworthy is the fact all 7 members of the court will be appointees of Democratic governors. Both say partisanship won't be a factor.
It is very important to me to not be perceived as partisan.
There's no partisan slant to the way that I make my decisions. I'm sworn to uphold the Constitution, and when I find myself in gray areas, I am very careful to check myself for any biases.
The real problem with bias is the fact that you don't even realize you have a bias.
Hamline University law professor David Schultz says political bias in legal decisions can be hard to spot and isn't a factor in most cases. But it can be in some cases, like those involving election recounts.
Is a Democrat or Republican going to win a challenge for a state legislative seat? That's where I think the concern's going to kick in terms of people wondering, am I getting a fair hearing?
Schultz says other cases where politics can play a factor could involve abortion or other laws passed by the legislature. Tom Hauser, 5 Eyewitness News.